Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about CureFit, an Indian fitness focused startup. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this company was founded by ex-employees of Myntra and co-founder. One of them is Mukesh Bansal, if you know him. Founded in 2016, this company has risen to such a magnificent scale that I am a fan of. To give you some perspective, this company has risen till now more than $400 million, from which $100 million are coming in April 2020, yes, in the time of pandemic. And it is considered as one of the great Sonicons of India. If you don't know what a Sonicon is, Sonicons, as the name suggests, are soon becoming to unicorns. And if you don't know what unicorns are, then might you well as study what startups are before watching this video. And there are some great investors backing this company as well, like the government of Singapore, Temasek Ventures, and Unilever Ventures, with many other as well. And the rate at which the company is acquiring other small startups or other small companies is also commendable. They have acquired till now more than 6 companies, and in recently they have acquired another small company from Bangalore where they used to press cold press juices, which will be doing, including with the Eat.fit, we will be talking about later. Now let's talk about their presence. They are present in more than 7 cities with more than 130 locations in Dubai as well, UAE. So by the numbers you can tell that the pace at which where they are growing, it is also great. According to CureFit, the total number of app downloads they have on Play Store and App Store in combined are more than 7 million, and total number of daily active users are 5 lakh. So the scale is quite good, and they are hoping to expand in future, which we'll be talking about later as well. Okay, so now let's talk about their business. Okay, so CureFit is mainly divided into 4 verticals, namely CultFit, EatFit, Care.fit, and Mind.life. Also, Cult Sport is a part of CultFit where they sell sports merchandise on their e-commerce platform, and yeah, it's going great. As you can clearly tell, Cult.fit is their flagship product where they conduct different sections on online and offline stores as well. They have recently started doing this online due to COVID-19, which we'll be also talking about later. Cult.fit is a primarily subscription based model where you can select a subscription based on number of days and you can attend as many classes as you want. For example, let us say that you buy a pack of 10 days, and in those 10 days you have to book sessions online where you can conduct those sessions on their 130 plus locations, going in there and attending those sessions like dance session, meditation session, yoga session, and other type of Zumba and other stuff. You get it, right? Just like this, Eat.fit is also a subscription based service where there you can order or subscribe to a particular type of food matrix, which will be then home delivered to you. This model has been quite popular in the USA, and we'll have to watch and wait that how does it fare in India. And if you are wondering, that there is also a plan where you can choose and order a standalone product which will be delivered to you. No need to subscribe to that kind of product. Care.fit and Mind.life focus on the biological part of a person's fitness. For example, in Care.fit, you can conduct live sessions with doctors and many other consultants or physicians like that, where you can book personal live consultation sessions for 500 or 600 rupees. Whereas Mind.life, you can pick up sessions for 6 packs or 7 packs, where you can conduct meditation and yoga and all that stuff. The way all these products earn money is quite simple and very straightforward. Apart from a department named Mind.fit, they offer free sessions like I have previously informed you about, and this is free if you check their website. But I don't know why they are doing this. This may be due to the fact that COVID-19 and they have moved all their presence online. Like Cult.fit is also moved online, so they are quite agile in that. Let's talk about competition now. As you can see, there are no direct competitors to CureFit, but if you look at the indirect market, they have quite a lot of, like Healthify.me, which is an Indian-based startup. Then MyFitnessPal is also a US-based startup, and many other subscription-based startups where they offer live sessions on their mobile and not physical stores. So the real deal with CureFit is that they are building around community, a fan base, a loyal base, a habit of being better every day. If you look at that tagline, be better, be healthy every day, is their tagline. You can clearly see it on their every location on their social media, every place. This is their tagline, hashtag be better every day. It is great. In an interview, Mukesh Bansal himself said that they are building this product a habit of being better and being healthy every day. And this helps because if you attach a community, attach a loyal fan base just like Tesla has, or something like this already exists, then in difficult times like this, there will be some their customers and their supporters and their promoters and their loyal fan base which are going to help them during this crisis to sail through. Because building a community around your product, and if you attach yourself to something special, you feel that, let us say that you go to 2 to 3 hours a day in that CureFit location and you feel happy, and when you come to know that this company is going to shut down, or this company is in crisis, then you are going to certainly do something so that you do not waste this opportunity because you have attached to that. Now it all seems rosy from the top, but when you look at the future plans of adding 800 stores by 2020, which they are not going to achieve, and 100 million users in next 10 years, which is too early to judge, seems a bit tense and a bit worrying. If you look at the financials, you will know why. With losses as high as 373 crore in financial year 2018 and revenue of 233 crore in 2019, and a future plan of adding 700 more stores in 2020 alone, I don't seem that they have any future plans of making it profitable anytime soon. Also, because of COVID-19, the company is in big trouble as their revenue model is primarily focused on offline locations and food delivery, which are all being affected by COVID-19. I believe that they are not going to have any amount of revenue in 2 to 3 months, or even later, even after lockdowns are over, because people are not going to just jump out there and go to these classes because they might be skeptical about this. In an official statement on Twitter, company announced that they are firing hundreds of employees and closing their locations in small cities and in UAE as well. And minimum amount of pay checks have been curtailed down from 20 to 50% in an official statement. With that being said, the company is agile. As you can see that the product they have launched like Cult.live, they were fast and agile, where they thought of launching a live product session where their customers can go and book these live sessions so that they don't get affected and their fitness doesn't affect it. So this says about the company culture that the company is agile and can definitely become profitable someday. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.